Oh, shit. Dude,
what?
Where are you rolling the windows down for?
Man.
I think we need to move, guys. Unbelievable. Dude, that is ridiculous. He's had a few cheeseburgers in his day, guarantee that. Oh my gosh. He's flipped it around. He's doing push-ups on it. Look at the claws on that thing. Did he go to the woods? I didn't see him. Where'd he go?
I don't know. I can't wait to show you.
You guys see that bear out there?
No.
Oh, no. What bear?
Damn, would you get in the truck,
Lord,
man?
man.
Yeah.
That's your boots, huh?
Lord, look at that. Are you kidding me?
Look at that.
Tailgate's destroyed.
Clothing would be nice. Take this out. Find your radios. Nothing. Scratch on it.
That's unbelievable. He took that thing and tossed it out of the...
I'll get